This is a special recipe. It can be served along with chapati, roti or rice. It is very tasty and easy recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 1.5 cup of soya chunks. Pour some water to cook soya chunks. Add 3/4 teaspoons salt. Water starts boiling. Boil for 2 to 3 minutes. The soya chunks have cooked well. Using hands, squeeze the soya chunks and remove the water in it. In a bowl, take the soya chunks after squeezing. Like this, cut the larger pieces into smaller pieces. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 chopped green chilies, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon fennel powder, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt. Add 7 to 8 curry leaves. Also add half chopped onion and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix all together and keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. In a pan, take 2 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 3 chopped green chilies. Saute it for 2 minutes. Add 1.5 chopped onion and half teaspoon salt. Mix it well, saute it for 3 minutes. Add 1 chopped tomato and saute it for another 3 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 3/4 teaspoon garam masala powder. Mix it well, cook on low flame for 1 minute. Now we can add the sauces. Keep the flame to low flame before adding sauces. Add 2 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1.5 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soya sauce, mix it well and cook for 1 minute. Now add the cooked soya chunks and mix it well. Add 2 cups of water, mix it. Close the lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on low flame. Until the excess water dries up. Finally, add half cup of coconut milk and mix it well. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Switch off the flame. Our special soya chunks roast is ready. This is very tasty recipe. You can serve this along with chapati, roti or rice. If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.